Here's the truth. If your business isn't on social media, you're invisible. Social media is the fastest way to get attention, build trust, and turn strangers into customers. It lets you show your brand's personality, answer questions instantly, and stay top of mind without spending million on ads. You don't need a huge following, just the right message consistently shown to the right people. Social media works 24/7, even when you're not. So start posting, start connecting, and start showing up. Because today, success isn't just about what you sell, it's about who sees you. I'm Mon, your social media manager. Bye!